In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in Miro. To get started, open your Miro board in Chrome. Using Chrome helps make sure Miro runs smoothly and that all the tools are available and responsive while you work. Once your board is open, take a quick look at the canvas so you know where you want to build your map. It's usually helpful to begin in an open area with plenty of space around it, since mind maps tend to expand quickly as you add more ideas. Next, go to the Creation toolbar and select Mind Map. This tool is designed specifically for organizing ideas visually, so it gives you a fast way to build connected thoughts without needing to draw every element manually. When you choose it, Miro prepares the canvas so you can immediately start building your structure. Now click anywhere on the canvas and type your primary topic. This is the central idea of your mind map, so keep it short and clear. Think of it as the main subject everything else will connect back to. For example, this could be a project name, a lesson theme, a business goal, or any topic you want to break down into smaller parts. Starting with a focused central topic makes the rest of the map easier to organize and understand. Once your main topic is in place, begin extending your ideas by clicking the plus nodes to add subtopics across branches. Each new branch should represent a related category, supporting idea or smaller theme connected to the main topic. As you continue adding branches, try to group similar ideas together so the map stays easy to read. This is what makes mind mapping so useful. It helps you see relationships between ideas at a glance, rather than keeping everything in a plain list. As you build, give yourself enough room between branches so the map doesn't feel crowded. If one section starts growing more than the others, that's completely normal. Mind maps are meant to grow organically, and Miro makes it easy to keep extending them as your thinking develops. By the end of this process, you'll have a clean visual outline built from one main idea and several connected subtopics. That makes it much easier to brainstorm, plan, or explain a topic to other people. And that's how to create a simple mind map in Miro.